just the way it goes. Feels like I waited so long for this. I wonder if it shows. Head underwater, now I can't breathe. It never felt so good. 'Cause I can feel it coming over me. I wouldn't stop it if I could. Will I take over? Yeah. You know you can't deny. Will I take over? Yeah. 'Cause something's here tonight. Give me a reason. I gotta know. Do you feel it too? Can't you see me here on overload? And this time I blame you. Looking out for you to hold my hand. It feels like I could fall. Now love me right, like I know you can. We could lose it all. Will I take over? Yeah. You know you can't deny. Will I take over? Yeah. 'Cause something's here tonight. Tonight, 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 I'll be loving you all the time. It's true. 'Cause I wanna make it right with you. When love takes over. When love takes over. When love takes over.
Wondrous is the eternal unfolding of the seasons, which has brought us to this joyous occasion. The gathering of family and friends make events and occasions such as this so much more meaningful and precious. And so we join with Haley and Benjamin with great happiness and warmth as we witness their marriage and we offer them our love and support. Now, before the two of you exchange your vows, I would like to share with you some thoughts about what drew you to one another and what you love most about each other. So Haley said of Benjamin, I love how authentic he is. Ben doesn't care what others think. With Ben, what you see is what you get. And I admire and love that he's so confident in who he is. She says, I love Ben's sense of humor. He's funny without trying to be. He always knows how to make me laugh, even when I want to cry. And I cry a lot. She says, I love how passionate he is. He knows, everyone knows when Ben becomes interested in something, his enthusiasm radiates. He becomes so enamored that it makes you interested too, which is such a rare quality. She goes on to say, I love Ben's sense of adventure. He's always searching for the next fun thing to do or place to go. I know our future will never be boring. She says, I love how loyal Ben is. Whether it's to his favorite brands or to his friends and family, he's committed to the things he loves. She says, I love how much he loves Penny. He's so affectionate, loving, and selfless toward her, even when she's being a bad Penny, which shows me what a great dad he'll be one day. But most important, she says as she concludes, I love how he makes me feel. He makes me feel safe. He makes me want to be a better person, want to continue learning and growing. He brings out the best qualities in me, and I love him for that. And Benjamin wrote to Haley, in writing of Haley, he said, your smile was the first thing that drew me to you. It still makes me feel just as warm as when we first met. Your laugh And our laugh together makes me feel safe. Laughing together is what I think about and, all capital letters, crave whenever you are away. You have the ability to show an entire range of emotion in only one day. Whether we are laughing about, yeah, you got it, Penny, or crying about something sad, I love feeling everything together. I even love that we say the word babe over 1,000,000 times a day.
I hate it.
He says, "You are so tender and loving. You make me the most lucky person in the universe." Get ready for all caps again. He said, "Haley, my babe. Spending the rest of my life with you is all I ever wanted." And he concludes, "I promise to love you forever, even when we grow into old babes." We will always have each other. Yours forever, Benjamin.
Old babe.
And so with that as preface, I'm going to ask you to repeat together the vows that you are making to one another. You are my best friend.
You are my best friend.
My hopes and future.
My hopes and future.
My strength.
My
strength.
My soulmate.
My soulmate.
Standing proudly beside you.
Standing proudly beside you.
In your eyes I see my love.
In your eyes I see my love.
And in your heart I see my dreams.
And in your heart I see my dreams.
And in our promise I see a union.
And in our promise I see a union.
True and steadfast.
True and steadfast.
Uniquely devoted to compassion.
Uniquely devoted to compassion.
Kindness and sincerity.
Kindness and sincerity.
Through all time and space.
Through all time and space.
There has been no love like ours.
There has been no love like ours.
And our story will unfold.
And our story will unfold.
With beauty.
With beauty.
Grace and meaning.
Grace and meaning.
We pledge to cherish.
We pledge to cherish.
And sustain each other.
And sustain each other.
Meeting life's trials with quiet strength.
Meeting life's trials with quiet strength.
And courage.
And courage.
And meeting life's blessings.
And meeting life's blessings.
With wonder, joy, and laughter.
With wonder, joy, and laughter.
We will grow as individuals.
We will grow as individuals.
And delight in an elegant freedom.
And delight in an elegant freedom.
Born from mutual respect.
Born from mutual respect.
Hareata.
Hareata.
Mikudash li.
Mikudash li.
Bitabaat zo.
Be'atabat zo.
Le'anei kahal.
Le'anei kahal.
Ve'eda.
Ve'eda.
With this ring.
With this ring.
As witnessed by our family and friends.
As witnessed by our family and friends.
You are betrothed to me.
You are betrothed to me.
This ring.
This ring.
Is a sign of our love.
Is a sign of our love.
Which unites us from this day forth.
Which unites us from this day forth.
As you become my husband.
As you become my husband.
Hareat.
Hareat.
Mikudeshet li.
Mikudeshet li.
Bitabaat zo.
De tabaat zo.
Le'anei.
Le'anei.
Kahal.
Kahal.
Ve'eda.
Ve'eda.
With this ring.
With this ring.
And witnessed by our family and friends.
And witnessed by our family and friends.
You are betrothed to me.
You are betrothed to me.
I give you this ring.
I give you this ring.
As a sign of our love.
As a sign of our love.
And welcome you as my wife.
And welcome you as my wife.
Please put the rings on each other's fingers. Amen. Now that you have spoken the words and performed the rites that unite your lives, and with the authority given to me by the state of Illinois, I joyfully declare your marriage valid and binding and pronounce you husband and wife. May you be blessed with life and health. May your days be filled with joy and gladness. And may you be granted that most precious of gifts, peace. Indeed, may peace and contentment reign in your home for all the days of your lives.
Save me. Losing time. It's like I've seen the light, but I haven't Save me.